Today we talk about important topics of open set related topics. Now we construct a problem and we discuss about this problem. The open ball B101 equal to if belongs to C01 such that norm of F1 less than 1. In C01 norm 1 is open in C01 norm infinity. Okay, now we see about that here C01 norm 1 is open in C01 norm infinity. Okay, now we discuss about it. We know about that given that A belongs to B101, that means A belongs to C01, that means continuous function, and 0 to 1 norm of ft dt less than 1. Okay, now we take epsilon greater than 0 such that epsilon equal to 1 minus 0 to 1 mod of ft dt. Then b epsilon if b infinity if epsilon equal to supremum of mod x less than infinity mod of fx. Okay, this one obviously subset of b1 if B101. Okay, now we see in figure. We draw this figure here. Then this one equal to 1 0 here, minus 1 0 here, 0 1 here, 0 minus 1. Okay, this one equal to B101. Okay, and then B infinity 01, that means here in minus epsilon, here epsilon, and in this way integration means region. This region is B infinity epsilon. Okay, so we see about that. B101 is open P101 is open in B infinity. B101 is open. B101 is open. B101 in C01 norm in 1 is open in C01 norm infinity. Okay. Now we erase this portion. Next, we talk about one important questions. This question is the open wall be infinity 0 1 such that f belongs to C01 such that norm f infinity less than 1. In the norm linear space, C01 norm infinity is not open in C01 norm 1. Okay, so how we see this? Here given some hints also. For positive function f, the norm f1 admits a geometric interpretation, and also positive continuous function f on 0 1 such that the area under the graph is less than any positive delta, but whose maximum could be as large as. This implies for no delta greater than 0, the ball B1 0 delta could be a subset of B infinity 0 1. That means here given hints, first we write hints. Okay, hints for a positive function f, for a positive function f, for a positive function f, the norm f1 admits a geometric interpretation, and also positive continuous function f on 0 1 such that the area under the graph is less than any positive delta, but whose maximum could be as large as we please, but whose maximum could be as large as we please, as large as we please. This implies that no delta greater than 0, the open ball p1 0 delta, the open ball b1 0 delta could be a subset of b infinity 0 1. No delta greater than 0, the open ball could be a subset of this. Under the graph, less than any positive delta. That means this hint implies that for any positive function, the norm f1 admits a geometric interpretation and positive continuous function f such that the area under the graph is less than any positive delta, but whose maximum could be as large as we please. This implies that no delta greater than 0, the open ball, no delta greater than 0, the open ball p1 0 delta could be a subset of p infinity 0 1. Okay, now we're giving one, a function whose graph is triangle with a base. Now give a function related to this problem, a function whose graph is a triangle with base, with a base half minus 1 by n, half plus 1 by n, and peak m greater than double greater than 0. That means too large from 0, and x equal to half, and 0 outside the interval, and 0 outside the interval half minus 1 by n, half plus 1 by n. Okay, then we define it. We erase these portions. Ft, we write Ft equal to 0 if 0 less than equal to t less than equal to half minus 1 by n, and half plus 1 by n less than equal to t less than equal to 1, and mn t minus half plus m if t, here we write not in this way, here this one is better from here, if 0 less than equal to t less than equal to half minus 1 by n and half plus 1 by n less than equal to t less than 1 or less than equal to 1. Okay, and here half, if half less than equal to t less than half plus 1 by n and minus mn into t minus half plus n if half minus 1 by n less than equal to t less than equal to half. Okay, then this function for no delta greater than 0 b1 delta could be a subset of b infinity 0 1. Okay, this implies that this implies no delta greater than 0 for no delta greater than 0 the open wall b1 0 comma delta could be a subset of b infinity 0 1. We also check it from 0 1 ftdt. We evaluate this one also, then all are 0, just half to write it 0 to half minus 1 by n ftdt plus half minus 1 by n to half ftdt plus half to half plus 1 by n ftdt plus half plus 1 by n to 1 ftdt. Then this one equal to 0 here because ft is 0. This one equal to half minus 1 by n to half m minus mn t minus half dt plus half minus half to half plus 1 by n m plus mn t minus half dt plus 0. Okay, then this calculation will give the result. This calculations also gives the result here equal to mt minus mn t minus half whole square by 2 here half minus 1 by n here half plus mt plus mn t minus half whole square by 2 half to half plus 1 by n equal to m of m into 1 by n half minus half plus 1 by n then mn by 2 here 0 and minus means plus half minus 1 by n that means 1 by n square plus here m into 1 by n plus mn by 2 into 1 by n square plus 0. Okay. Then this one is logically this one equal to this one equal to 2m by n plus m by n. Okay, 3m by n, where mn belongs to z plus, where mn belongs to z plus. This one equal to 0 to 1 mod of b to b. Okay, this one equal to these things. Then result is this one. Now we can't say about that there is no delta greater than 0 such that b10 delta could be a subset of b infinity 01, because here b infinity 01, that means mod of mn equal to mod of mn subset of this. Okay, that means this one can't hold here. Okay, that means any delta, we can't find any delta which is obviously, that means b b10 delta b10 delta b10 delta, this one is less than 1, that means b10 delta, that means 3m by n less than delta. This implies that 3m less than n delta. We can't find in this way where mn belongs to z class. Okay, this one subset of b infinity, this one subset of b infinity if can't possible. Okay, where b infinity 01 equal to here m, or half, if we put half then m, if we put half plus 1 by n then 2m, that means 2m m b infinity, and here b, if we put 1 then this one is 3m less than delta, that means we can't handle this one. Okay, we can't handle this one, we can't handle this one 2m or others, that means for no delta greater than 0 the open ball could be a subset of this, that means this ball can't be subset of this, we can't find any delta here. Okay, so today stop here.